How to download Behance portfolio as a PDF. I'm going to tell you how to download your Behance portfolio as a PDF. And while Behance doesn't offer a direct export feature, there are a couple of easy workarounds. One option is using lasso.inc. Just visit the site, log in, choose a template, paste your Behance profile or project URL, and hit convert. You'll get a nicely formatted PDF, but note, full features or watermark-free versions might require a subscription. Another way is using a Chrome extension like Go Full Page. Install it, open your Behance project in the browser, then capture and save it as a PDF. You can also hit Ctrl plus P or Command plus P on Mac and choose Save as PDF to manually save individual pages. These tools can give you clean, downloadable versions of your work. Just be sure everything's up to date before converting.